This is a day that the Lord has made. Welcome, everyone. Welcome to another week with me, Vanessa. It is Saturday. I started the day out with a Walmart grocery pickup. Been cooking meals at home using the air fryer. And my son, he wanted to go to a basketball game at his high school. So I dropped him off and I'm on my way to my brother's house, and I'm gonna watch NFL football games with him. I don't like to be home alone sometimes, so this is one of those times. And then that'll be it for today. Oh Lord. Actually, you know what I want to do? Boat. I'm ready for that. So that 10 to 34. 45. Okay. Ooh, it's getting cold. Well, it rained almost all day long here where I do work. I'm not sure what it's like where I live. I'll find that out right now. It's warm though, it's 57 degrees. I think I mentioned that I'm in a federal review. So what happens is, if anyone's interested, the funding source that we have grants through has contracted with a third party, and they come in and they ask us questions, and they want to verify that we are being compliant in all areas. So mine is finance. Okay, on Monday, the person told us, she started out, I have 114 questions to ask you. I will ask you throughout the next few days. She ended up asking us that day. Today, I was scheduled to meet with her for 3 hours in the morning, 3 hours in the afternoon. We didn't meet at all. So then I started wondering, am I supposed to be somewhere and I don't know?
To be safe, I don't want
You sure? Hey, you all. It is Friday night. I just want to close out the vlog and say this was the most difficult, stressful federal review I've been in ever. They usually do this every 3 years, but due to COVID, it's been a good 6 years since the last one. And things have changed, so it's more challenging than the last time that I was in one. So I really didn't have much time this week for anything but work, dinner, maybe an hour of TV, and I got ready, spent about an hour right before bed getting ready for the next day. That's how I was able to keep my mental wellness in check. And I worked out where I could to keep my physical wellness in check. One thing that happened today was so stressful, and I want to talk about it because this is single mom life. I was required to be in the office all week long, and usually I can work remote. Well, mid-Wednesday, I received an email from my son's school counselor, like guidance counselor, saying he wanted to be in a program, and if he did, he needed to go Friday. So then I called the place that he needed to go to. I said, does a parent need to be with him? And they're like, yes. So then I had to give special permission to take my child to this place for school. This is a moment I wish there would have been another parent for several reasons. One, to either take him for me or to lessen the stress on me. I wanted to be there for my child. I wanted to be present. But at the same time, I was constantly checking my phone, checking my emails, checking other things on my phone. I wasn't there for my child, and I feel bad. I was short with him. I was just not my best self. These are the times I hate my job. These are the times I hate my life. And I had to explain to my son, I'm sorry, I have to work. Like, this is a pass or fail situation. Anyhow, I got through it, but I do have 3 other audits still pending with my job. What I ended up doing was every day, after work, I would either make a simple dinner or order out. I tidied up right before I'd shut everything down, come into my room. And the last hour before bedtime, I would get my clothes ready for the next day, figure out what am I going to need, get everything together, and have downtime to refuel myself, make sure I went to bed earlier all week, got up earlier all week, prayed a lot. I made it. And I celebrated right at 5 o'clock. Well, it was a little after 5. I went to the convenience store because I like the donuts there. I like the Dr. Pepper there. Got myself a few other things. Now I'm going to enjoy my weekend. Thank you so much for spending time with me. I'm sorry there was no declutter. I just couldn't mentally get that in, as I knew this review was going to be here. Remember, today will be what you make of it. I'll see you next time.